Alright everybody, today I am going to show you how I like to light a coal forge. And what I've got here is a lighter, a nice ball of brown paper. I've got my fire pot all cleaned out. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to set paper on fire. Once I've got that going a little bit, I'm going to put that right in the center. I'm going to start giving my hand crank blower just a bit of a turn, make sure the paper is nice and lit. We get some coal around the edges. I'm going to keep the air going to it, get that paper burning nice and hot to light the coal. Push that down with my poker a little bit, keep it from blowing away, force the heat into some of the coal. Don't want to crank too hard. See, we've got a nice little center of the fire. Coal's ignited. Now we can load up our other fuel. Got a little bit of coke here from yesterday's fire. A little bit more coal. Got a nice little mix going in there. Smoky. Poke a little hole in the center, let the air through, you can get better ignition on the smoke. And there we go. Rocket fast coal fire, under 2 minutes. Nice and hot.